gotta move snappy.
Come on, Makita.
You know he's not going to shoot at the weapon.
If you shoot at him, you gonna piss him off. You just screwed up.
You shoot him back.
You dead.
Oh, you can't go without that.
That was a good move, though. You straightened him out.
Stay low. He crossed over good, though. When he run.
All right, he's coming in danger zone.
Oh, I ain't fair. You give me a cue.
No, you know.
Oh, good. John Wayne.
That's Audie Murphy
Jumped
move.
over.
Make sure that's something. It looks pretty. There you go. It looks pretty.
That Audie Murphy move.
He said it looked pretty, but he gonna snap you on the next
You
one.
gotta get snapped anyway. One more time. One more. Do it again. Do it again.
All right, do a pirouette.
Do it again. No, don't get it.
Go,
Don't
let's
shoot.
go down and wait.
Vietnam bet.
Don't shoot. You gotta get pissed off. There you go. Yeah. You got
fucking
no
up.
round. Oh.
You fucking up bad.
Oh, bad. Nah.
He don't even know what he's shooting at.
He ain't over there, man. He's behind you. All right, you've expended yours now. You
See that shit?
So we don't take
All right. Now, this is it. You one more to go.
Bing Gay gonna get some work tonight.
One more.
One more. Better stay low.
This is where he does that.
He's shooting in that hole, man. Don't fill the hole up.
He's shooting on the hole.
You made him mad shooting at him. You dead.
Good shot.
All right.
Let's go.
He told your ass so son.
Probably got both of them on me one time or something.
No, he only got one lane. What are you crying for, man? This
Train.
train.
You gotta go through one more time.
Hurt my wrist.
Pardon?
It's gonna hurt my wrist.
If you ain't got no profile, it ain't good. It legit enough. Oh, am I on your way?
You mad.
He's frustrated. I'd be upset too.
What are you getting mad for?
What? That's not a good man.
He's just training, man.
You get shot, you get shot.
I done seen people get popped 4 and 5 times.
Yeah, dude got shot 5 times. But a girl, they made a girl go through, she made.
Hey, low.
Dang, man.